Landlord tips a game changer. Reduce stress and hassle. Increase your profits. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in Manawatu and the Taurua region. Recently, I discussed 7 key factors for choosing the right property manager, and we're going through those key factors. Number 5 on the list is effective maintenance management. Looking after investment property isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about planning to prevent minor issues from turning into major expensive problems. So what does effective maintenance management look like? Let's break it down. Early detection by regular inspections is crucial to identify those minor issues. For instance, a loose or broken roof tile may seem insignificant, but can lead to leaks, water damage, and expensive repairs if not addressed. It is wise to check when you're doing inspections, to check water leaks under sinks and basins, inspect hot water cylinders, and thoroughly investigate any signs of moisture, mould, or water damage. Your property manager should have a network of trusted professionals, plumbers, electricians, and builders, etc., who can respond quickly and do quality work. Using unqualified or the cheapest tradesmen may save money up front, often resulting in more repairs later and more expense, of course. Preventative maintenance saves thousands. Think of property maintenance like a car service. You don't wait for the engine to fail before changing the oil, right? The same applies to houses. Simple things like cleaning gutters, servicing heating systems, and sealing exterior cracks. It might be in a windowsill or window frame, prevents expensive problems down the track. Effective maintenance isn't just about reducing costs. It also keeps tenants happy, extends the life of the property, and protects your investment. If your property manager isn't proactive, it's time to ask why. Done right, it's an investment, not an expense. Hey, look, I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easy for landlords is what we do.